Welcome to Interior Health Adult Type 2 video series. My name is Heather and I'm a registered nurse. This video is about making lifestyle changes. Just a few reminders as you watch this video series. We encourage you to watch the videos in order, and just remember you can go back and watch the videos as often as you'd like. Fraser Health on the Road to Diabetes Health is a great resource to accompany this video series. And remember, you can pause the video at any time if you would like to spend a little bit more time reviewing the information. We would like to acknowledge that our work occurs on the beautiful, traditional, ancestral, and unceded territories of the First Nations of the Interior Region. We also recognize the Métis Nation and the contributions of the Métis peoples to the Indigenous ways of being and knowing on this land. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about the steps to make lifestyle changes and share with you some additional resources to help you set those goals. There are a lot of things that you may need to do to live well with diabetes. We're going to discuss some of these steps together to help you set a goal that is important to you and that you would like to achieve. We'll look at choosing a goal, brainstorming solutions, making an action plan, preparing for challenges, getting support, tracking your progress, and rewarding yourself. But before we get started, take a minute and think about a problem that you've solved in the past. You've handled lots of problems in your life, big ones and little ones. Think about how that felt and keep the feeling in mind. Remembering a past success can help boost your confidence when facing a new challenge. Now let's get started by thinking about what goals are most important to you that you would like to work on right now. Write down some of your goal ideas that you would like to focus on. I suggest that you choose a goal that is an action goal that you can take rather than an outcome goal. Action goals are in your control, such as walking 3 times a week or eating more fruits and vegetables. An outcome goal would be something like lowering your blood sugar or losing weight, which sometimes can be unpredictable. Action-based goals give you the best chance at success to achieve your goal. So pick one of those goals you wrote down. Now, let's brainstorm some of the next steps. Think of every possible way you might progress on this goal. Write down the ideas as they come to you. If the ideas aren't coming, maybe instead you could think of someone you could talk to who could help you with this problem. Next, look at all of your ideas. Do you see any that aren't useful or you don't think you do? Cross them out. Now, can you see one idea that you think might work? Maybe that seems small and doable. Sometimes planning your next steps towards a small goal can clear the way to help you manage a bigger goal. Draw a circle around the idea you picked. Remember, you are the expert in your life and the best judge of what will work for you. Now it's time to create an action plan. Let's say your goal is to increase your physical activity. You might start by walking. It's a great idea, but it's better to be more specific. So add some detail, like when you'll do it and for how long, and when you'll start, hopefully sometime this week. Next, it's important to prepare for things that might get in your way from achieving your goal. Think of the things that might happen. Things like getting busy, having low energy, a special occasion coming up. Maybe you're traveling or the weather's bad. Before these things happen, you can make a plan to deal with them. Is there anything that worked well for you in the past? Next, consider getting support. Is there anyone who can support you with your goal to help you be accountable to achieve your goal? Some examples could be family members, a friend, or a coworker. Keeping track of your progress can help you achieve your goal. You can do this by using a journal, an app on your computer, a checklist, or a calendar to keep track. Also, setting a date to look back over your plan to see how it's going is a good idea. This way, you can see which part of your plan is working well and which is not, and you can adjust your plan if you need to. And finally, people who plan to reward or celebrate their successes when they achieve their goal often are more successful. Choose a reward that's important to you. Some ideas are borrowing a book from the library, inviting a friend for coffee or tea, buying yourself some fresh flowers, or taking a relaxing bath. Whatever it is that helps you celebrate your successes. For additional resources, take a look at Self Management British Columbia with the options of toll-free call or visiting the website shown. Thank you for watching Making Lifestyle Changes. We encourage you to view the remaining videos for more information about living well with type 2 diabetes.